Hey, what going on? Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, kindly hit on the red subscribe button to get notified of our drop videos like this. On my channel, I treat topics on music, how you can better your craft as an independent artist or as a music manager, how you can succeed in the music business, all those kind of topics about music businesses or the music industry. Hit on the subscribe button to get more of the videos, and you can also check my channels for some videos I've done previously. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to edit your profile on Apple Music, how to change your profile picture, and the rest. If you're interested in the video, let's get into the video right away.
KIDAAX clean. I'm in love with those ones that have me. Fuck those niggas, they're not jealous. I survive with my
You are welcome back. You're welcome back to the channel. Now let's get into the business right away. Yeah, this is the website for the artist, Apple Music for artists, rather. Apple Music for artists website. This is how it looks like. I'll drop the link in the description for if you just get here in one tap. Okay, to edit your profile on Apple Music is as easy as possible, very easy. But the first thing you have to do, you have to make sure you have your song on Apple Music. So I'll drop a card, I'll link a card up here in case you don't know how to release your music to Apple Music. I've done a video earlier on how to upload the music to Apple Music, so just click on the link to know how to upload your music to Apple Music. Then after you gotten a song on Apple Music, the next thing you have to do is to get access to the profile. You have to get access to the profile. So I've done a video on how to claim your artist profile too. I'll link a card up here, and I also drop the link in the description. So in case you can't just get to watch it right now, you can just check the link after you finish watching the video and get the link in the description to watch those videos. After you watch those videos, then you can just come back and continue to edit your profile on Apple Music. So right now I'll have to sign in. I have to sign in. After signing in successfully, the next thing you click on your profile, the picture icon. Wait for a bit. Okay. Then you click on this drop down over that overview, the drop down. Click on it. And you click on manage. Wait a little bit. Okay, then this pops up. Then you can see these are your profiles where you can edit so much. Click on this upload new image whenever you want to change your profile picture. This is the main thing, upload new image. As you can see, then you click on it. Okay, then you can choose the file you want to upload. I'm actually not uploading, just want to show you some things. Okay, the image I chose is not a PNG or a JPEG file, so make sure the file you're uploading is a JPEG or PNG file. I'm just using that as an example. I'm actually not changing mine, I just changed it recently. I hope you understand how I did that. In case you don't understand, you can just watch it over and over. I have to go about changing your profile picture on Apple Music. It's as easy as that. I hope you understand that. Very easy. Then after uploading, you will have to wait for about 24 to 48 hours for your profile picture to be approved by Apple Music. Then after you have been approved, that's all about that. Yeah, welcome back. Thanks for watching that amazing video. If you find this video very interesting, hit on the like button to help us grow this channel. And don't forget to click on the red subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, and hit on the bell icon to get notified whenever I drop videos like this. I'm KIDAAX, aka Superstar Trap Boy. Until we meet in the next video, peace.
KIDAAX clean, done the shine. I dey give them all my vibes. I've been grinding hard, I'm getting back to the front. I want my life good. From my notice with so they call on me. Now the ladies out here won't fuck with me. I'm in love with those ones that have me. Fuck those niggas, they wanna jealous.